So my daughter came with the most amazing hair, the most amazing baby hair, very luscious, very smooth, very shiny. She literally had the best fussy hair, in my opinion. And then all of a sudden, she started having this scalp issue, this scalp condition that literally ripped up all her hair from her, the back to the middle part to the front, and all of the perimeters of her hair was gone. Okay, she literally had no edges. Okay, and because I was thinking, oh, I should just try to hold on to it as much as possible, that it's going to regrow. It did regrow, but the issue is the front and the middle is not the same length, as you can see. So I decided to just chop off, make just level everything so they can be at the same equal length, if that makes sense. So I don't know what you've been holding on to. I don't know why I felt like saying this, but I don't know what you've been holding on to that isn't serving you anymore. This is your sign to let go. Sometimes we hold on because we are afraid of a new start, a fresh start, and that is okay. But sometimes you just need to don't think about it, just jump. Okay, so I decided to just cut her hair, just let go of the fear of how, or just like how will she look on low cut. But I finally summoned the courage to just chop everything off and start regrowing her hair from scratch. I didn't shave everything off, but I went quite low. Okay, you guys will see at the end of the video. I did cut her hair very low as much as possible, and I'm going to be using our hair butter and hair oils that I've been sharing on this channel to regrow her hair, and I'm going to be giving you guys like updates on how we go. Okay, I'm going to leave you to watch the video. It's just the process of me cutting her hair, and in the end I just tried to put her hair together. I did one quick style for her in the end, just mostly out of guilt, because I was like, why did I cut her hair? Even though you can see clearly it's not serving anymore, it's not serving any longer. I was just holding on to old whatever. Like I said, I'll be giving you updates on how her hair is growing. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any updates, you don't miss any hair hair inspiration that we share on this channel, be it hairstyles, be it how to grow your hair, how to stop breakage and all of that. Do subscribe, thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Have you ever held on to something that you should have let go? Let me know in the comment section, and let's continue the conversation. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. This is also sharp. Should I cut your hair? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, baby. Just making it look better, okay? You're laughing. Oh no. Oh no. What has mommy done? What has mommy done? Oh no. What has she done? What has she done to your hair, Zara? What has mommy done to your hair? Goldie boy. Oh, the sound, the sound. Yeah.
Master Keys.
I want to flex my lover. I want to flex. And I want to call it my baby. To the bless the Lord. I'm a woman. I want to bless. I want to call it my baby. To the bless the Lord. Daiwu, 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 yeah. Daiwu, 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 yeah. Daiwu, 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 Although they way, you know that my body's calling and your body's speaking. Loving you, they make me forget. See, I get problem. By the end of the night, in the bathroom, pleasure. I wanna flex my love. I wanna bless. And I want to call him my love, baby. To the blessed they love. I'm a woman. I want to bless. And I want to call him my love, baby. To the blessed they love. Daiwo, 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 yeah. 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 What up is your bestie? Tani bro, Tani bro, Tani bro. You don't want to find my trouble in the bathroom pressure. She na me I want to when your heartbreak, heartbreak, she heartbreak. Now me they buy dinner for your man them. In the bathroom pressure. I wanna flex my love. I wanna bless. And I want to call him my love, baby. To the blessed they love. I'm a woman. I want to bless. And I want to call him my love, baby. To the blessed they love. Daiwo, Daiwo, Daiwo.